Now I am going to solve the another question with help of the minimax and maximum principle in game theory. Our question is solve the following games by using the maximin and minimax principle whose payoff matrix are the given below. Include your answer. Number 1, the strategies selection for each player, and number 2, the value of the game to each player. Does the game have a saddle point? So our payoff matrix is given. The question number A, the player B and player A with their strategies. So uh, with help of maximin and minimax principle, we take row minima for the player A and then maximin. Take the maximin max value of all the minimum value taken from the each and every row for the player A. So for the row 1, that is the A1, the minimum value of the row A1 is 10 5 minus 2 is equal to minus 2, and for the row A2, minimum value of row A2 is 3, and minimum value of row A3 is 4. Now the maximum value equal to max of the all the minimum value which we have taken from our row. So this is the max value of minus 2 3 4, which is equals to the 4. So the A chooses the A strategy, A3 strategy. Actually max min means what do you mean by max min? Max min mean the player A who is always try to maximize his profit. Okay, maximize his profit or maximize his utility. Okay, so that's reason we take the maximin means the the player A try to maximize his minimum utility. Step 2, the column maxima for the player B, the minimax. uh, so here we take the along the column. So the B1 column, the maximum value of B1 column. Here our the column value is 10 6 and 4, so maximum value is 10, and maximum value the second column, that is B2 5 7 8. Among this value 8 is maximum, and B3, for the column B3 the maximum value is 4, and minimax value equal to minimum of all the maximum setup, which is equal to 4. So here minimax means the player B who always try to minimize its maximum loss. Okay, so the B chooses the B3 strategy. B chooses the B3 strategy as the maximin and minimax equal to 4, so the saddle point is exist. So here the minimax value is 4 and maximin value is 4, and player A chooses his best strategy, that is the B3. Okay, player A chooses A3 strategy, A3 strategy. Okay, A3 strategy, and player B chooses the B3 strategy. This. So here, this 4 is our saddle point and the value of the game. So as the maximin and minimax equal to 4, so saddle point exists, and optimal strategies for the player A is A3, and optimal strategy for the player B is the B3, and the value of the game which is equals to the 4.